What's up, guys? It's Vance. I'm going to go over the principles of design. So let's get right into it. So we have focal point slash emphasis. They're basically the same thing. Definitions: an area or object within the artwork that draws attention and becomes a focal point, or an area and composition that has the most significance. Use these to draw the attention or create contrast within your art. So for example, everything is colorful in these little boxes right here, and then you just have the blatant K, just black and white. So like it creates contrast and it draws your eye. Next one is contrast. Definition: when two or more visual elements in a design are different. This creates relationships between visual elements. Uh, Use it to generate impact, highlight importance, or create visual interest. So this is a good example because the words contrast use the different colors. So for instance, you have the pinkish peach background and then the blue lettering. It just makes it stand out. Next, we have balance. Definition: visual weight of elements in a composition. So there's three main types. There's symmetrical, asymmetrical, and radial. And your uses it adds stability and it adds structure. You can create emphasis and create dynamics in design. So this is balanced because it's all symmetrical, as you can tell right here. And you can kind of see the patterns between. So then we have movement. And definition: it helps control the viewer's eye when looking at a design piece. And it just grabs attention. So as you can tell, the streaks in this one, it creates movement. Also, the way he's looking at the woman, so it draws your attention towards the woman. And yep. We have rhythm. Definition: reusing of the same or similar elements throughout design. So this your uses create unity, shows particular style. You can create emphasis and structure, and it can strengthen the design as a whole. So this is a good example because obviously you can see the rhythm and the pattern within it. So then we have unity. Definition is a mixture of all the principles of design. Use eye of design to judge your own work. This is just when your natural skill and talent kind of comes into play. And this just uses everything we've gone over. So that I believe this is a good example because the colors, they contrast with each other, but you can also see the rhythm between the little chords right here, and then you can also see the balance. It's very symmetrical. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you.